Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at this chart, what we can see that a range is always mostly created in silver. If you look at this range, I have pointed this range, and now what we can see, it is on the upper trend. Okay, because this range is breaks upside, and if you check my previous video, I've already told you that if the price stays above a level of 23.20, then we can see an uptrend in the price of silver. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding silver position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in silver is working, and if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description. Okay, what you can see, I'm showing you this in order you to understand that the price of silver, whenever there's a break, whenever there's a support breaks downside, then we have seen a big fall in the price of silver or any if you look at the commodity, when there is a range, there is a probability of hitting the resistance or support. If you look at this trend, we have seen this at this level, we have seen at this level, we have seen at this level. Okay, and now this range breaks upside, we have seen a sharp rise in the silver price. Okay, see, now what we can see here, that the price of silver is moving in a particular range, and if we look at this chart, we can see a cup pattern is forming. Suppose if this range breaks upside, then we can see further upside in the price of silver. Suppose if it sustains this level, then probability is there it can go and touch a level of 24.468, and from there it can go and touch a level of 24.850. okay, and once this level is touched, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 25.436, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 25.774. okay, and once this level is touched, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 26. okay, and if you look at this chart, we have seen that 25.79 is a strong resistance which is not tested twice, so chances will be very high. If the price stays above 24.872, then there is a probability it can go and touch a level of 25.30. okay, and the 25.413, and this level is already tested twice, so chances are very high it can go and touch a level of 25.70. okay, and this level is also tested twice, so if it goes above and touch a level of 25.977, and this is not tested, so chances will be very high it can bounce back from this level, or if it bounce back from this level, then we can see it can 25.796 will be treated as a strong support once if it touch a level of 26, and if it bounce back from this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 26.76. okay, and once this range breaks upside, then we can see the silver price can come in a particular range of 27. okay, and it can touch a level of 27.037, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 27.443, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 27.084. suppose if the price goes below a level of 23.947, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 23.744, and from there we can see a level of 23.586, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 23.202, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.864, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.255. okay, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 21.984. okay, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 21.374. so what is thing is that if it is sustained above a level of 23.586, then we can see there can be a bullish view, but if the price of silver comes below a level of 23.952, then probability is that it can go further low to a level of 23.770, and from there we can see a level of 23.588. okay. And once this level is done, we can go and it can touch a level of 23.250 also, and from there we can see it can go further low to a level of 22.764. okay. So and if the price didn't sustain this level also, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.348 also. And if the price once this range is break downside, then we can see it can go further low, because we have seen a cup pattern is forming. So there is a probability if it stays above level 23.570 upside. okay. So hope you like the video, and if you have any doubt you can mail me also. And so hope you like the video, and if you like the video please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel please subscribe it. Thank you.